Imagine opening your eyes to the first light of dawn reflecting off the Arabian Gulf, as seen from the comfort of the iconic Burj Al Arab in Dubai. You thank yourself. For choosing Holidally.com, you pull back the curtains to a vista beyond compare. This isn't just waking up, this is rising to a day of promise and luxury. It's the Arabian Gulf, the jewel of Dubai, greeting you with shimmering waves and a sky painted with hues of the morning sun. That's quite a start to the day, isn't it? From the heights of Dubai, we're diving deep into the Maldives' crystal-clear waters. Imagine trading in your alarm clock for a school of colorful fish darting past your window. As you stretch out in your underwater suite, the vibrant coral reefs become your morning vista. Exotic marine life, from playful dolphins to graceful manta rays, are your new neighbors. This isn't a dream, it's the Maldives, where your room offers a front row seat to the ocean's ballet, a fascinating underwater world right from your bed. Leaving the ocean behind, we find ourselves on the idyllic island of Santorini. Envision yourself perched on a private terrace, a glass of rich local wine in hand. As the day wanes, the sky morphs into a canvas of colors, each hue more enchanting than the last. The sun kisses the azure sea goodnight, creating a spectacle that seizes your breath. It's a sunset lover's dream, a moment suspended in the heart of the Aegean. Who wouldn't want to toast to that view? From the Mediterranean, we're soaring to the snowy peaks of the Swiss Alps. Picture a morning where the first sight that greets you is a breathtaking panorama of snow-capped mountains glistening in the dawn light. Imagine your day filled with thrilling ski adventures or peaceful moments by a roaring fire with a steaming mug of hot cocoa in hand. As the day ends, retreat to the warmth of your mountain lodge, nestled amidst nature. The perfect view for a winter wonderland. Finally, we're off to the land of the Northern Lights, Finland. Picture this. You're nestled inside a cozy glass igloo, surrounded by a blanket of snow. As night falls, the sky comes alive with a dazzling display of greens, pinks, and purples. It's the Northern Lights dancing gracefully above you. This is more than just a hotel view. It's a totally epic view, and brought to you by Holidally.com. Thank you and goodbye till next time.